You bought new hardware for your drawers, but the screw is too long. Let me show you how to trim this screw safely and easily so you have the right length every time. When you purchase new drawer hardware, you'll often get one of these screws that's much longer than you need for your application. And you can see here in the threaded section, there are small reliefs that are carved in. And this is designed to allow you to break off this screw to give you the length that you need for the thickness of your drawer or door. Now you might think you can take a pair of vice grips that have this cutting piece in the middle here, and you could line that up on that relief and then just squeeze with all of your might, and that will in fact trim this screw. But you're going to create two little projectiles. The head of the screw will fly off across the room, and you're going to spend about 10 minutes looking for it, and hopefully not poke somebody in the eye with one of these pieces. Now the way these are designed is really quite simple. You take your vice grips in this case, or you can use a regular pair of pliers, and you put it just on the outside edge of the relief that you want to break it at, and you hold with firm pressure, but it doesn't have to be really tight. You don't want to hurt those threads with the pair of pliers. And then go ahead and grab a second set of pliers, and for this one you want to line it up just on the other side of that relief. And this is just a simple matter of twist a couple of times, and that will break right off. And now you have yourself a screw that is the right length for your application.